back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this fabric magazine holder, and I'm just going to jump right into it. So for my fabric holder base I used an old cereal box, and what you're going to do is you're basically just going to draw out the shape of your magazine box. You can make it curved, you can make it straight, whichever one you like, but the thing is you need to make sure that the front and the back of the magazine holder are the same. So to do this you can just use the method I used, which is to draw lines on both sides of the magazine holder, and then just wherever the lines touch you're just going to join them together and then basically draw a line and then cut out your magazine holder shape. So next you're going to take some fabric. For my magazine holder, I'm using Ankara fabric just because I feel like it looks really nice and it'll be a great addition to my room. But yeah, you're going to just take your cereal box and then measure how much Ankara you need to cover the entire surface area of the cereal box with a little excess. Now the little excess that you have added on, you're just going to cut that off, and that is what you're going to use to cover the base of your cereal box. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to put some glue on it. I use UHU or UHU glue, and you can use any craft glue. I don't know why I keep saying basically, but you can use any craft glue you like, and then just place your fabric on it and then cut off the excess, but not like exactly. Now the reason you don't cut it exactly at the edge is because you're going to fold in the little excess you have, just so that your cereal box holder has a neat edge, and yeah, you're just going to fold this in all around. It can be about 1 centimeter or half a centimeter wide. It doesn't really need to be that much, but basically it needs to fold over. Now once you're done with that, you're just going to repeat the same method and to cover your cereal box with your fabric, basically, which is just placing glue on the face you want to cover and then putting the fabric on it, and yeah, you just repeat this all around your cereal box. Now once you're done with that, you're just going to cut off any excess you have all around, at the top and the bottom, basically following the shape of the magazine holder. I don't know if I should call it a cereal box or magazine holder at this point, but basically following the shape of the box. And then with the inside of it, you're just going to place some glue again, about 1 centimeter wide or deep, and then fold over your excess fabric just so that you have a neat edge. Now once that is done, you're going to take some paper or some cardstock. I just use plain basic A4 paper, and you're just going to trace out the shape of your magazine holder, but making sure that it's not exact because you need it to fit in and also not like cover the top of the inner part of your magazine holder. And yeah, you just cut the basic shape, and again put some glue on the face you want to glue down into your box, and then just put it inside your magazine holder. And the point of doing this is so that you have a nice neat interior for your magazine holder, and once you do this on all edges, your magazine holder is ready to be used. So yeah, I feel like this is such an easy, quick DIY tutorial you can do to spice up your room and just add some nice little decor to your room. But yeah, I hope you guys loved this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and also check out my other DIY room decor tutorials. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, thanks for watching.